Okay, so I wanted to look at this part of Unit 6, which we won't cover, adverbs of frequency. So adverbs of frequency are very important to talk about how often we do something. So I've put the common adverbs of frequency up here for you with examples. Always. So when talking about habits and routines, it's always good to put in adverbs of frequency to express with the present simple. I always drink coffee in the morning. I usually study English in the afternoon. Normally, often, sometimes. I sometimes eat daejigukpap on Saturdays. Occasionally, seldom is less common, hardly ever, and never. So I've included a more comprehensive list of adverbs of frequency here, along with some native speaker, authentic adverbial phrases. For example, once in a blue moon means rarely. So you can say, I drink alcohol once in a blue moon, which means I rarely drink alcohol. You could say, I drink alcohol once in a blue moon, usually once every 3 months, which is not very common. And then when pigs fly. When pigs fly means never, ever, ever. Right? So how often do you go on a date? I go on a date when pigs fly, which means I never go on dates. Okay, so that's the list more comprehensively. Right? I want you to read through this, look at the word position. Adverbs talk about the verb, so they go before the verb and after the subject when we speak them. So they never go after the verb, as in this case. And I want you to have a look at this pattern drill. So the pattern goes like this, and it'd be good if you could incorporate this into your speaking tests, asking questions to partners. Do you ever exercise? Yes, I do. No, I don't. If it's no, I don't, then that's the end of this part of the conversation. However, if it's yes, I do, you can continue on with the pattern. Do you ever exercise? Yes, I do. How often do you exercise? I sometimes exercise. How often is sometimes? I exercise twice a month. That's the pattern you have to follow. So you can adapt this pattern to talk about personal questions. Do you ever study English? Yes, I do. How often do you study English? I frequently study English. How often is frequently? I study English 4 times a week. Okay, so that's the pattern I want you to develop for your speaking test, asking to your partner. I'm going to stop the video here because long videos don't seem to work so well. So we'll come back to this in the next video.